Welcome back to Everyday Barbie. Today's video is about socks, specifically Christmas socks. More specifically, I know you guys already saw the thumbnail, but I'm turning these holiday Christmas ugly sweater socks. We have to be specific, okay? I'm turning this into a sweater for my Barbies. First things first, my grandma did gift these to me sometime earlier this year and had the idea of turning them into a Barbie sweater. And today, I want to make that happen. Now guys, I am creative, but I'm not that creative. This is not my own pattern, not my own idea. I'm using this video from this channel 1/6 scale, and she makes these adorable sock sweaters, and my goodness, she has so many cute videos, so like definitely check out her channel and stuff, okay? So she's really creative. So let's see if I can accomplish this as well. So I'm taking my sock and I am measuring 8 centimeters, starting right under the band here, and that's where I will be cutting all the way across, just like that. Next, I just cut this into 2 pieces. So I'm gonna cut down the sides. Now we have 2 pieces. Next, I'm taking my piece, I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to measure 2 centimeters in, and I'm going to be marking that right here on both sides. Next, I've just cut on that edge. And I'm going to do that for both pieces. Next, I'm going to cut down the center of this top piece. And then we cut off this part that's attached with the black. If you guys can see the stitching there, we just trim off that piece just like that. And then I'm going to fold down this edge and sew that down. Now that I've done that to both of my socks, I'm placing them good side to good side, and I'm going to sew down both of these corners. Okay, so we can set that aside for now. I'm taking the rest of my sock. I'm going to be cutting off the heel. And then I will be taking my ruler, measuring down 7 centimeters, and cutting at that point. Then I'm just going to be folding that in half, and I'm going to cut that in half again, so that way we have 2 sleeves. With my sleeve folded this way, I'm taking my ruler, I'm gonna measure 3 centimeters. I'm gonna make a mark there, and then down at the bottom, I'm going to be measuring a little over 1.5. Just like that. Then I'm taking my ruler and I'm going to line up the 2 points. Where did you go? I am lining up the 2 points and I am drawing a line down. Just like that. And I just repeated that for the other sleeve, of course. So then I'm taking my sleeve, and at the center point, I'm just lining that up with the shoulder piece that we sewed together right there, and I'm just going to be sewing across. And of course, I just did that for both sides. I want to hem the sleeves, so I'm taking the 2 chunks that we cut out of the neckline. I'm taking it, I'm cutting out those black stitches. I'm then folding it in half, and I will use that to hem in the sides. I'm placing it good side to good side, and as you can see, it's quite smaller because we want it to be stretched out, so I'm just going to sew this end, and then this end, and then I'll sew the rest of it, so that way it stays put. And then you have a nice clean edge. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love the way that this is turning out. So the last add-on is the waistband. So I'm taking my other sock. Why am I kind of sad? Anyway, I'm taking my other sock and we're gonna use this elastic here. So I'm just going to, and then I'm going to cut down this side and cut down this side. So now we have 2 pieces. We're gonna sew these on the same way that we sewed on the cuffs for the sleeves. So of course it's good side to good side, and then we want to put this good side, which is that side, and we just gonna sew that guy on just like that. Alright, I've done both sides, so I'm now folding my sweater in half with the bad side out. And I want to make sure that my waistband is down. And now I am going to sew down this side. Alright guys, I've sewn up both sides. It is done. Let's see how it turned out. Oh my gosh. That is so stinking cute. What on earth? Guys, what an incredible pattern that was. What the heck? Let's try it on. Now guys, I don't know about you, but that is so adorable. I had actually fun making this and it turned out so cute. I am definitely going to be doing this again. Guys, definitely try this out. Definitely head over to 1/6 scale. Take a look at her channel. She has so many other DIYs. Her channel's adorable. Give her a subscribe. She deserves it. My goodness, this is so cute. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed getting to see this made. Let me know if you're going to try this out yourself this year, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye!